Happy Timely Tuesday, friends. It's Roger coming at you from the Ninja Fortress of Productivity. I've missed you. I hope you haven't missed me too bad. It's been almost a month since I got to talk to you personally. Those of you who've been paying attention rigorously, as I know many of you have had the last 4 weeks delivered to you by my man Rob Zaberski. I'm good. He just had some important stuff to talk with you about. So this week, this is going to be a short video, but very pertinent to you. It's going to be a little different than what you might be accustomed to here. This video is literally specifically for you. And what I mean by that is we know that there is, if you're watching this, which clearly you are, there's about a 95% chance that you are a client of Freedom Personal Development, meaning that you have met us before. You didn't subscribe to the channel randomly, you kind of knew us, and that's why we're here together. You either bought and or read one of our books. You maybe saw us at a speaking engagement. Maybe you enrolled for one of our online courses or one of our live courses or one of our coaching programs. Somehow you're a client of ours. As you know, it's been a topsy-turvy last 18 months for all of us. And so we've got some new developments and some updates and some new changes that are super pertinent to you and your ability to maximize our relationship. So, okay, we basically got 3 kind of updates that I needed to share with you. And please pay attention. You may want to take notes on this, but maybe you just want to be on the lookout for some things that are coming your way very, very soon. 3 things. 1, we've got an upgrade in our communications with you that you need to be aware of. Otherwise, you might lose the ability to hang out with us every week like this. 2, we've got some brand new stuff that's coming out. 3, we're bringing back some great stuff that a lot of you have been waiting for. So let's take these in order. 1, we have an upgrade to our communications with you as our clients. One of the things that we have realized over the craziness of the last year as we've had to make changes to our business is that there's a lot of you, our clients, who have a mistaken impression of what we are as a company. We are not just one guy. We learned over the course of doing this blog, this weekly video actually, that a lot of our clients thought that whoever they met first in our organization comprised basically the whole company. So, right, we've actually got a great little team of speakers and coaches, literally some of the best in the world. There's me, obviously. A lot of you watching this video also know Rob Zaberski, who's the co-author of Master Your Mind. A lot of you watching this know our guy Penn View, who's also here in Wisconsin, who's one of the most amazing turnaround experts and one of the best coaches I've ever had the pleasure of working with. And so what we've often found is that the first person that you met inside the company, it's very likely that you thought they were the company. I know a lot of Rob's clients have gotten emails and videos from me, and Rob's clients who know him go, hey, who's this Roger Seip guy that keeps emailing me? Likewise, my clients have asked me, hey, who's this Rob Zaberski guy on the video? Is he what's that all about? So in order to kind of help, we realized that one of the reasons that happened is because the way that we would communicate with you, just so you wouldn't forget, just so you wouldn't have confusion about, and then you'd remember you'd notice emails that you got from us. Folks who started their relationship with Rob have gotten a lot of stuff from Rob at robz@freedompersonaldevelopment.com. A lot of Penn's clients have gotten stuff from Penn at freedompersonaldevelopment.com. My clients have always gotten stuff from Roger at freedompersonaldevelopment.com. And so what we're doing is we're going to be unifying that. Sometime in the next few weeks, all of that will be converted to, you will now be receiving all communication from us. It will come from coaches at Freedom Personal Development. So be on the lookout for anything that you get from coaches at freedompersonaldevelopment.com. That is for you. It is not spam. Please make sure to whitelist that so that you get all of the goodness that there is to get. Now, it may, just so you know, it may show, depending on what sort of browser and email programs you use, that may show up as from coaches at freedompersonaldevelopment.com, or it may show up as from the Freedom Team. It may show up as Freedom Personal Development. It'll have freedom in the title or in the from subject though. So just be on the lookout for that. And like I said, make sure to whitelist that so that you don't feel like we forgot about you or stopped communicating with you. It's just going to come from a slightly different place. So be on the lookout for that. All right, now my favorite stuff that I get to tell you about. As I'm sure you know, we had to make some major adaptations to our business. Like everybody on planet Earth, the whole experience of the last year and a quarter, year and a half, really changed a lot for us. We were a business that, you've probably heard me say this, was really built around our team running around the country, traveling to places where groups of people were gathered in rooms and giving talks. That was really where a lot of our business came from. And as you know, back in March of 2020, groups of human beings were kind of outlawed for a while. That was really sort of wiped off the face. That was sort of wiped off the books for us. It was no longer on the table as an option. So on the plus side, what that helped us do is it really helped us clarify who we work with and how we help people. And I got to tell you that part, who we help, what we do for them, and the quality with which we do that has only become stronger. That has not changed. We work with business people just like you. We help them to get the space between their ears straightened out in a way that's going to help them get awesome results in their business and in their work and enjoy their life in the process. And we do that in a number of different ways. Well, what we've done over the last year is that, before, about 80% of our business came directly from giving talks to groups of people. Over the last year, what that's become is that 80 to 90% of our business is coaching relationships, like one-on-one with people. And that's been a really amazing learning experience for us. The results that we have seen have been off the chart spectacular. Lots of our clients experiencing record-breaking months, weeks, quarters, making way more money than they've ever made before, having a bigger impact than they've ever had before, and typically working less hours to do it. So that part is great, and that remains a strong part of our business. We are going to be bringing back pretty soon live events. We've got, traditionally, I think most of you know this, that we have done one-day masterclasses and multi-day retreats as live in-person events literally all over the world. We've not been able to do either of those things for the last year and a half, but we're able to start actually putting those dates on the calendar. We will be doing an online masterclass towards the end of July. Be on the lookout for that. We're also going to be bringing our first live masterclass, our live one-day event. That's going to be happening late July, early August. Probably that one is going to be Probably that one's going to be in Texas, but keep your eye on the calendar for that. We are super excited to be able to go do live events, be in a room face to face with you and slap you upside the head if you need it. And so that's going to be coming back over the course of the summer. You'll be seeing that. We're also wanting to announce our first in a long time, multi-day retreat. Traditionally, we've tried to do those on a quarterly basis where our clients can come and spend like a long weekend with us, like a Friday, Saturday, and into a Sunday, doing some great personal development. We are also bringing that back at the beginning of the first quarter. One of the first 2 weekends in October, there's going to be a group of, it's probably going to be a couple dozen of our clients. We'll be gathering here in Madison, Wisconsin, because it's absolutely beautiful. So be on the lookout for the return of live events from us coming to your area in some cases, and in some cases they're national events as well. And then last thing that I wanted to make sure that you are aware of, I'm just going to give you a little teaser for this, is our online presence is about to grow in terms of social media and this YouTube channel, and strengthen in terms of what we're offering for you. We do know that our one-day event, one of the things that we have learned is that our live events, or like our day-long and multi-day events, for some people it actually does work better to do those virtually. Like for the last year, we've done our Masterclasses online, and that's actually been really, really well responded to. So we're keeping that. We'll be announcing dates for our next online Masterclass, really like within the next couple of days. That announcement will be coming out. And then what I wanted to tease with you is Rob Zabersky. He's been in the studio, man, hardcore for the last couple of months, developing a brand new self-guided coaching program that is it's going to be available to all of our current clients and new clients. And I'll just say that it's honestly some of the best work that we have ever done. Because it's going to be self-guided, it's going to be less cost prohibitive than like the one-on-one interpersonal coaching relationships that we've sort of really thrived upon over this last year. And so it'll just be a good addition to your arsenal to help you get better at everything that you do. So we are super fired up about this. We've had to learn and adapt and grow just like you have. And so we've got some cool stuff that's coming out for you, and I'm really, really excited about. I'm excited that we've got unified communications coming to you. I'm really excited to bring back like the live interaction component of our business. And I'm equally fired up that what we've got coming out in terms of online offerings are going to be made even more impactful than they are. So listen, that's it for now. I promised I'd keep this short. Thanks for sticking around. Thank you for being a client and a watcher and a reader of our stuff. I hope this has been helpful to you. We're really stoked to continue bringing you the goodness, and I hope you have an awesome rest of your day.